It's Thursday, which means, of course, I'm going to the thrift stores. I just pulled up to my favorite store, which is called Unique. It's in Burnsville, Minnesota, if you're local. It is the best thrift store around, in my opinion. I want to go to a couple different thrift stores, of course, and I thought I would take you along. So let's go see what we can find.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, This morning has so clear a light as any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a race. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's good.
I'm back from the thrift store, and I thought I would share with you what I picked up. I found some linens, and I also found some furniture, which I'm super excited about. So the first thing I picked up was this sheet. It's a single size. This is what we use on our master bedroom bed. We have one of those adjustable base beds, so it's basically like 2 twins to make the queen. So we use twin sheets, and then that seems to work really nice. So the problem is we have been tearing all of our sheets. Like, all of our sheets have holes in them all of a sudden. I did not understand. And it is difficult to find sheets that have the elastic part of it that are deep enough. So obviously I can't do the vintage sheets, which I would love to be able to do. I can't get them to stay on the beds. I have tried those little bungee clippy things. Those don't work. So I have to find other solutions, which is a normal size nowadays kind of sheet. And it's fun. I like to have colorful sheets on the bottom, but I like to have the white sheet on top, if that makes sense. So I found this. I thought it was absolutely beautiful. It was $5.99, and I thought that was a really good price. And then I found this sheet, which I absolutely fell in love with. This seems like very 70s to me. I absolutely love the colors. The blues, the teals, the greens, the purples. I just think it is so pretty. This was only $3.99, and it is definitely vintage. It has the tag here. Let me see if I can show it to you. It says Monticello on it, and it's by Canon. And oh my gosh, you guys, this stuff it just feels wonderful. I love the feel of vintage sheets. There's just nothing like it. So I was super excited to find this. I want to make a blanket out of it, obviously. I think this would be really fun to have on the back side of a more muted color on the front side. So then I'm feeling feisty, I can have the bright, crazy color, and then I can have, if I'm feeling more calm, I can have the more serene pattern on the opposite side. Plus then it's reversible and I can get more use out of it. So that is what's going to happen with this little guy. And then this, you guys, is my find of the day. This gorgeous quilt. I believe it's a full size. There is no like tags on it, but that's kind of what it kind of looks like. It's a little bigger than a twin. But anyways, I absolutely love this quilt. I don't know if you guys remember, but I had this quilt years ago, and I had to get rid of it. I used to have it on my couch sometimes as a couch cover in my other house, and I absolutely loved it, but I had to get rid of it because it was just like disintegrating, and I was so sad. And it has a gorgeous little scallop edge on it, and I just love it. I love the muted colors, I love the design, and I was so thrilled to find this. This is going to go upstairs in my little seating area up there. I have a daybed, and that is where this is going. Then I'll decorate with blues and pinks up there, or whatever other colors I want to. I think this will go with just about anything. And I don't remember if I said, but this was originally $15.99. I got it for $11.99 because I had a 20% discount. So I am loving this. So those are the linens that I picked up today. And now I'll take you and show you the 2 pieces of furniture that I found today. So then the other thing I found, do not look at my floors. They need to be vacuumed so badly. There's like dog hair everywhere. Anyways, it's been a crazy couple weeks here, and I'm just holding on by the seat of my pants. So anyways, back to this chair. I found this chair. I have been looking for a chair that will go at my desk in my bedroom, and this totally fits the bill. It's a smallish kind of size that will fit nicely under the old desk. It was only $11.99 on sale. It was originally $15.99, but with the discount, I got it for $11.99, and I absolutely love it. Look at the detailing. I just love it. And this is really cool too. And then it looks like someone had recaned it, and I just think it is awesome. So I'm super thrilled about that. So those are the items that I picked up today while I was thrifting. I am so thrilled with everything we found, and I am very excited that we found 2 pieces of furniture that we've actually been looking for quite some time. So that is always exciting. I hope you guys enjoyed thrifting with me today. I would love to know what you think down in the comments. Rima says hello, and I will see you very soon. Bye now.